Hi, I'm Matt. Welcome to Matt Hart's Ice Cream. Today we'll be trying Dairy Queen's Blizzard of the Month Confetti Cake. And yeah, it's in a waffle cone. So I guess I haven't been making a lot of videos lately. I had lost my voice, and this was like the worst time for me to lose my voice because not only did Haagen-Dazs release like phase 2 of the gelato, but Ben & Jerry's came out with their new core ice creams. And so like those things are just so awesome, and I'm like, I can't talk, I can't even make a video. I can still hear the crackle in my voice, so it's kind of bumming me out. But oh look, I'm just gonna have to power through it because this is a blizzard and it's in a waffle cone. I can't really tell what size this is. I'm guessing it's probably a medium. So we're looking at over 600 calories for the ice cream alone, and then factor in the waffle cone. Like if this was an 800 calorie thing, I would not be surprised. Yeah, I guess I'm really stoked to try it because it's a waffle cone and it's a blizzard. And although I'm sad that you can't really turn it upside down, or you can. Yeah. I don't know. I just like the whole turning it upside down part of the blizzard. I think it's like an important part. It makes it taste better. Like it doesn't taste good until you turn it upside down. So anyway, let's give this one a shot. Okay, it's got them crunchy sprinkles that really kind of suck. I hate those. I don't know. I mean, like, I like my sprinkles to be soft because I like my teeth too. I mean, and kind of looking for a chunk of cake that was kind of promised by the name Confetti Cake.
Create a better dry cleaning experience? First, we start with an innovative, environmentally non-toxic Green Earth dry cleaning method that's more earth-friendly than traditional.
I'm not finding any cake pieces. Okay, there was one. Kind of tasted kind of soggy and stuff. I don't know, like it's not a bad ice cream at all by like any stretch of the imagination. It's totally cool, especially when you do get that one, I guess, piece of cake that they put into my blizzard. But it is kind of disappointing. Like the waffle cone itself couldn't even save it. I mean, like it's a magical little waffle cone, but no. So I guess this was an average ice cream experience for me. So on a scale of 1 to 5, I'm going to have to give Dairy Queen's Blizzard of the Month Confetti Cake in a waffle cone 3 scoops of happiness.